Hi, so-called hackers. You are cheats. You prey on vulnerable people, people that are in emotional distress. I've issued a number of invitations for you to hack me. No one has ever hacked me because it can't be done. There's a comment below on one of my videos, which I'll leave a link for, and you can see that somebody's been ripped off 4 times. If anybody believes they can hack me, they can hack my phone, I'll be quite happy to give you my phone details, network provider, and if you can indeed hack my phone, I will reward you greatly. However, you won't. You can't do it. You're just a thief, and you prey on vulnerable people in times of emotional distress. So you're the lowest of the low, but please feel free to prove me wrong. I'd love it. I'd love to see your work if you believe you can actually do this. If you can do it, I've got plenty of work for you, but you can't do it. So yeah, please take up my challenge, otherwise I'm calling you a cheat, a liar, and a rip-off merchant and a fraud. But like I say, please feel free to prove me wrong. I'd love it. I'd love to see it in action. Get in touch with me, and I'll leave my email address, and if you do get in touch with me, I'll be happy to promote your services on my various websites. I've got quite a few websites on this sort of subject. So